The Kenyan government has claimed that Tanzanian authorities have not offered any information regarding the whereabouts of activist Boniface Mwangi, who has been missing since Monday. According to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Kenya has made several attempts to reach Boniface Mwangi through the Tanzanian authorities, all of which have been unsuccessful. This follows his apprehension by Tanzanian authorities on Monday morning in Dar es Salaam on charges of obstruction and irregular entry into the country. In a letter by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs to the East African Cooperation of the United Republic of Tanzania, Kenya reported that continued efforts to reach Boniface Mwangi had been futile and that the country was concerned for his health. The Ministry of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs of the Republic of Kenya presents its compliments to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and East African Cooperation of the United Republic of Tanzania and has the honor to express its deep concern regarding the apprehension of Mr. Boniface Mwangi, a Kenyan citizen, passport number BK472892, being held by the United Republic of Tanzania authorities. Part of the statement read. The ministry notes that, despite several requests, officials of the government of Kenya have been denied consular access and information to Mr. Mwangi. The ministry is also concerned about his health, overall well-being, and the absence of information regarding his detention. Following these developments, the Kenyan government stated that it was left with no option but to recall the provision of Vienna Convention on Consular Relations 1963, which provide that consular officers shall be free to communicate with the nationals of the sending state and to have access to them. The agreement also allows consular officers the right to visit a national of the sending state who is in prison, custody, or detention to converse and correspond with him and to arrange for his legal representation, something Kenya claims it has been denied. At around midnight on Monday, May 19th, Tanzanian authorities arrived at the doorstep of Boniface Mwangi's Dar es Salaam hotel room, demanding he live with them. Although they claim to be police officers, they reportedly refused to identify themselves, according to a video posted by the activists during the altercation. Boniface Mwangi stood his ground, stating that he will not live with the men until his lawyers arrived. Later that day, reports broke that he had been apprehended in Tanzania and was detained pending deportation. On Tuesday, Tanzania reported that Mwangi had been deported back to Kenya. However, concerns rose after his whereabouts remain unknown despite his alleged release. Tanzanian advocate Boniface Mwabukusi later in the day explained that Boniface Mwangi, alongside Uganda's Agatha Atuaire, were no longer in police custody but were being held by the Immigration Department of the United Republic of Tanzania awaiting deportation. No further updates have been released concerning Mwangi, who had traveled to Tanzania to observe opposition leader Tundu Lissu's treason trial. Kenya's former Justice Minister Martha Karua, along with two fellow human rights defenders, Gloria Kimani and Lynn Ngugi, were deported on Sunday while trying to access the same trial, while former Chief Justice Willy Mutunga and activist Hanifa Adan and Hussein Khalid faced the same fate on Monday.